So overall, I am thrilled with the HOROW N30. I love HOROW toilets. We've checked out a ton of them and they are what I have in the rest of my house. However, I wanted to show you guys this today because I know some people, it's difficult to upgrade to a true smart toilet. For a variety of reasons. You may, like I said, have an older home or a rental home or just live in a smaller space. Anything like that that's keeping you from upgrading to that bidet, let me tell you, this is going to give you that modern luxury smart toilet look at a fraction of the price and also a fraction of the effort. You're not gonna have to worry about an electrician or tearing something into your wall or rewiring anything and all of those things that can just honestly seem like too much effort. This gives you the bidet, it gives you the hygiene, it gives you the look, it gives you the style, it gives you the ease of cleaning, it gives you the huge upgrade. Again, at a fraction of the price and the effort from a company that you already know and trust and love. So I absolutely love this. I think that is the easiest way to really upgrade not only the look of your bathroom, but also the functionality. You're gonna have something that is so much more hygienic for everyone in the family. It's really going to be a huge game changer for you. And I think you're going to be very happy with having something that, again, is so incredibly easy to install and so incredibly easy to keep clean.